everybody, I'm Laura Lee. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be exploring some home hacks, but with a twist. These are common items that we all use the wrong way. You may be surprised how you've been using these household items. Let's jump right in. First up is cleaning gloves, and most of us like to wear them like this. But wait, that's the wrong way. Here's the right way we're supposed to use them, with the cuffs folded up like this. That way the cuffs can catch any water or cleaning solution before it drips down onto your clothing or your skin. Just give the end of the cuffs a little flip and voila, waterproof protection for cleaning. Plus, this keeps water from rolling down and into your gloves and getting your hands and fingers all wet. I hate it when that happens. Now, bath towels are a given for drying off, but did you know you could even use a bath towel the wrong way? And I'm guilty of this too. Usually when I get out of the bath or the shower, I wrap it around like this and give it a little tuck. The problem is that if you move around too much, it slips off. That's embarrassing. Instead, what's better and more secure is to wrap it around like you did before, but instead of doing the little tuck, actually take the top and roll it down all the way around, and then do that one more time. This is great if you have to make a mad dash from the bathroom to your bedroom and you have company in the house, or if you're at the pool, it's much more secure and it's going to keep you covered. If you're at the pool, you don't even have to wear a cover-up because this is so secure it's not coming off. So it's a win-win. Dishwashers are one of our best time savers, but a lot of times we look over some of their best assets. Instead of just placing your dishes in there all willy-nilly, place the dirtiest dishes in the hardest working area of the dishwasher. Need a deep clean for leftover dishes that may have sat out overnight? Put them in the center of the dishwasher. It's the area with the most aggressive wash inside your entire dishwasher. Air conditioners and heaters, they keep us comfortable in extreme hot and cold. But did you know that we can compromise their effectiveness? Usually when we come inside, we're either sweating and burning up or freezing and shivering and ready for a quick fix. Our instinct is to flip the switch on the thermostat way up, hoping that somehow magically the room will get colder or hotter faster. Well, the truth is the air conditioner or heater is putting out as much heat or cool air as it possibly can. By turning up the thermostat, all we're doing is making it work harder and longer. It's still going to take just as long for you to warm up. We're wearing out our air conditioners and heaters by demanding they give instant gratification that they are not equipped to give. Next up is spaghetti spoons, and of course these are great for dishing out pasta, but there is a hidden feature a lot of people don't know about. Instead of guessing how much pasta to throw in boiling water, pull out just enough to fit through the hole in the center of the spoon for each person. Are you always over or underestimating spaghetti versus sauce ratios? Use the whole hack and get it right every time. Aluminum foil and plastic wrap. These two kitchen staples help us out with food prep, cooking, as well as leftovers. Did you know there's a better way to use them? There's a little feature on the box that makes life a little bit easier. You know how frustrating it is when you're trying to get some plastic wrap and the whole thing comes out of the box? Well, there's two tabs on the side right here. If you just press them in gently, it holds that roll in place, that no matter how much you pull, the roller stays inside. It makes it so much easier. This makes preparing a meal or covering leftovers a lot less frustrating. Let's talk about trash bags. Is there possibly a way to use them wrong or to improve them? Well, apparently there is a better way to use them. As a matter of fact, most of us use them inside out. We usually give them a shake, put our hand in like this, and stuff them down in the trash can. That's not the way manufacturers intended trash bags to be made. Instead, we're supposed to take them out of the box and put them around the rim of the trash can like a hat, and then stuff the inside down inside. That way the seams are facing the right direction, which makes them actually a little bit stronger to keep them less likely from breaking. Now let's take a look at ceiling fans. We all know they can keep us cooler, but did you know they can also help keep us cozy and warm in the colder months? Just flip the switch or pull the lever on the side of the fan to make it spin in the opposite direction. It should be clockwise in the winter months. That's going to help pull up the cool air from the bottom, press down the warm air from the top, and make your heating system work more efficiently. Next up is the oven broiler. Most of us know its primary purpose, to create direct intense heat for browning, charring, or caramelizing food. But did you know it's supposed to be used with the oven door slightly open? This allows steam and some of the heat to escape so you don't accidentally bake the food. This gives you more of a grilling effect than with the door closed. If you set your oven to broil and close the door, internal safety mechanisms may automatically shut off the broiler element. There are some ovens created for broiling with the door closed using an internal vent. Be sure to check your oven's instructions to see which method you're supposed to use with your particular oven model. Last but not least, number 10 is the humble blender. This kitchen aid helps us whip up a shake or a smoothie in no time flat. But did you know there's an order of operations when inserting your ingredients into the blender? That's right, this will make it more efficient and turn your smoothies smoothier. It's easy to throw everything in and switch the blender on, but putting everything in at random can cause uneven blending, large chunks, or undissolved particles, and possibly stall or damage the equipment. Instead, start with your most liquid ingredient and then add the more small, solid pieces, ending up with the large chunks of things like ice or whole pineapple chunks. Layer everything from the smallest to the largest, saving the largest and toughest pieces like ice at the top. Having liquids in the bottom keeps the blade spinning without catching on anything. This allows better chopping action and dispersion for all of the ingredients that are above the liquid. So there you have it, 10 household items that you've probably been using wrong all along. Who knew that a trash bag could be even stronger and that a bath towel could give you more security? If you found the video helpful, please share it with all your friends, like it, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so I can let you know as soon as I release a new video with helpful household hacks. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. God bless.